Okay, so here I am in ChatGPT. And why am I in ChatGPT? If you want to get the best results from Speakable, you want the most accurate evaluations, and you want the most efficient grading, which means the least amount of work for you, then you want to make sure to give Speakable a really good rubric, and also your students, so they know what's expected of them. And so this is what I did. This is a speaking activity. So I took the College Board rubric for speaking. Oh, that's the writing. Persuasive essay. Here, for interpersonal speaking. I uploaded that. And then I uploaded the ACTFL proficiency guidelines. And I told ChatGPT, rewrite the attached rubric to correspond to the novice speaking proficiency levels as described on pages 15 and 16 of the ACTFL proficiency guidelines, because this is for Spanish 1. The rubric I've uploaded is advanced for AP Spanish. Modify it for the novice level. And so this is what they did. And then I told them I wanted it to be teacher scoring grid. So then they gave me this. So that would help the teacher score. And I said, this is close. However, this is a simulated conversation. And the rubric I uploaded is for simulated conversation. Use some of the language of the original rubric, such as maintains the exchange with a series of responses that is clearly appropriate within the context of the task, provides required information, etc. And so this is what it gave me. And this is the one that I ended up using. So if you want to create your own rubric based on your particular task and the goal, the teaching goal, the learning goal, then I would take advantage of the rubrics that are already made, and especially if you're trying to create tasks that mimic the AP Spanish tasks. I would start with the AP Spanish rubrics. If it's not, then use the ACTFL proficiency guidelines and then tweak them for your own needs.